Okay, so I think we will start now. Good morning to everybody and welcome to this workshop on climate change and sea level rise, coastal vulnerability and societal impacts. So during these 2 days, we will discuss one of the main consequences of global warming, which is sea level rise, and its impact in coastal areas. So here is the program for the first day, and you will see for the second day. So after 2 short presentations on paleo sea level and present day global mean sea level rise, the first presentation will be by Edouard Bard, who is a professor at the Collège de France here, and the second by myself. The remaining of the workshop will be devoted to the regional variability in sea level rise and the impacts at regional and local scale of sea level rise. So in the first session, we will hear presentation that describe the regional variability, and we will. You will hear what are the causes of this regional variability, and you will see that at very local scale, non-climate factors are also acting. Then, in the second session, we will have 2 presentations on the driving mechanism that cause coastal evolution. And you will hear a review of observation for the past few decades on the cause of coastal erosion. And you will see that sea level rise is not necessarily the main factor causing coastal erosion. Then the remaining of the second session and the third session will be devoted to state-of-the-art projection of future sea level rise for the next few decades at global and regional scale. And the last presentation of session 3 will show that it is very difficult to forecast sea level rise on decadal time scale. So tomorrow we will start the session by two talks, one on extreme sea levels and another one on sedimentary processes acting in coastal zone. Then we will have a series of presentations devoted to vulnerability of coastal region with a few examples. For example, the Asian megadelta, the Netherlands, and other regions. And then a series of presentations on societal and economical impacts of sea level rise and strategy of adaptation. So to close the workshop, we will have a general discussion and hopefully a few recommendations for future research. But during this general discussion led by Edouard Bard and myself, we will have a short intervention from François Loos, who was a former Minister for Higher Education and Research and for Industry, and very recently he was President of ADEME, which is the Agency for Environment and Energy, and he will talk about adaptation to climate change. And this will conclude the workshop. So I think I stop here, and we now start with the first presentation of this introductory session by Edouard Bard. Oh, sorry, there is a... I'm sorry, Edouard. There is an error here. So Edouard will talk about paleo sea level, and this will put in perspective the present day and future sea level rise. So it is interesting to know what has been going on in the last few thousand years. So Edouard, it's up to you now.